Now let us learn what are threads. A thread is a single flow of control within a program. Now let us see the difference between a thread and a process. Process normally occupies different memory space, while in threads they share the same memory and state. What is multi-threaded programming? A multi-threaded programming contains two or more paths that can run concurrently. Each path is called a thread, which defines a separate path of execution. Let us consider an example. Suppose we have three threads. One may perform downloading, other may be playing a song, and third one may be handling the printing. Now, let us learn about thread life cycle. We have 5 states in life cycle of a thread. First one is newborn state. It is a state when a thread is created. A thread is not yet scheduled for running. Second state is runnable state. It is a state when a thread is ready for execution and waiting for the availability of the processor. Third state is running state. It is a state when thread is being executed by the processor. Block state when a thread is prevented from entering into a runnable state. And the last is dead state when life cycle of a thread is now over. Let us discuss few methods that are used in multithreading. Get name. This method is used to obtain a thread's name. Get priority. Every thread has a priority. Get priority obtains a thread's priority number. Is alive. It determines if a thread is still running. Join. Join makes sure that main thread is last to stop. Run. It is an entry point for the thread. Sleep. It suspends a thread for a period of time. Start. It starts a thread by calling its run method. Now let us consider an example. We have a class new thread which implements runnable interface. Runnable interface comprises of run method which needs to be implemented in every class we implement. Runnable. We have defined a thread T, a constructor new thread, where a new thread is created. We can better understand this program by running it. Let me run it. You can see I have given demo thread as the name to my thread. System.out.println. This will print the details of the thread T. Child thread, it's a demo thread which is its name. 5 is priority and main is the class which contains the thread. Here we can see 2 threads are running. One is child thread and another is our main thread. We run the child thread for 5 times, but using sleep we suspend its functioning for some amount of time. You can see main thread is executing 5, then child thread again child thread, then main thread. Till here child thread is over, therefore exiting child thread. Now only main thread will execute. 2, 1, main thread exiting. This was an example for multithreading. You can have a look at it. This was all about multithreading.